What is up, my Forex for Beginners family? Okay, so today I'm released a new strategy video. It's actually part 2 to my first strategy video. If you're not using the website, I suggest using the website because there's a lot of downloads and strategy videos that aren't released on YouTube or anywhere else. So go to forexbeginnersacademy.com and click on Get Started. If you're already a student, you already know. Just go log into your account. There's 5 modules. There's 28 lessons now. At module 4, lesson 22, we have our first strategy video that I've given you guys in exchange for a video review. And I've received a lot of video reviews, and I'm very thankful for all these video reviews. And now part 2, lesson 28, is a new part 2 strategy video. So it's lesson 28, strategy video part 2. Submit your video review. Here's the things that I kind of want you to talk about. And really, I only want the students who have gone through all 28 lessons to give me a video review. If you have been following my training, I've gotten a lot of amazing positive feedback. I've been trading for 8 years now. I spent the first 3 years just kind of not knowing what I was doing, and then I actually decided to buy multiple courses, and it took me several years to just kind of absorb all that knowledge. And the reason for me creating this course is because I said to myself, what would I do, or what can I create for new people coming into the Forex market? So I decided to create a course that is straight to the point. Each lesson builds off the previous one, and your knowledge really accelerates really quickly. I'm not giving you a bunch of random knowledge. I'm giving you what you need to absolutely to analyze the charts. Chart analysis is step 1. If anyone else tells you anything else, if trading is 100% about chart analysis. So if you're not doing chart analysis and you're not quite sure how to, I suggest you forget about all the other distractions in this market and focus on chart analysis. And I've decided to give you 28 lessons for free, and I've given you 2 strategy videos. And once you're completely obsessed with our training and you understand how to analyze the charts, I know that you're going to be willing to give me a video review because I've gotten a lot of positive feedback, and I'm just happy to grow this community. Once you're in this, you started the training at lesson 7. Throughout the training on the website, you'll be I'll drop some locations where there will be a link for you to join the private student group. In there, we share our charts, we analyze the same currency pair together, and we take the same trades. So it's like this amazing community that's only available if you use the website. And okay, so I want you to read through this. Here's the link to submit your video in Dropbox. And once you've completed that task, just drop me a message to this link here, and I'll send you the password to get the video. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.